Hello, hello everyone. We are back for another sesh. Oh, excuse me, already. Last one for the week. Yay, it's Friday. Let's maybe try and end it on a high. Try and okay. Looks like we're good to go. Good to go. We're good to go. Alright, we are good to go. Yeah, good to go. So cameras a bit. Um, just adjusting. Yeah, we'll give it there. All right. Why can't we see our chart? There we go. We're all set. Oh, yeah. And, welcome everyone. Let's welcome everyone. We yeah, where we at? We're still about 12, 11 and a half minutes from the open, and then another 15 after that before we put any trades on. I'll be just trading one account today, trying to get it back in the green. I'm down about $250 from London session. So hopefully we can get a couple of trades off to make that back, or one good trade to make that back and then some. Let's see how we go on. Let's see. There we go. Maybe we'll do a bit of a top-down look-see. Let's see where we're at. Let's see what we've done. We broken the lows, the last 2 days lows. What does it look like the week actually? Okay, that's the weekly candle. Interesting. Just took the high. We could possibly, where are we at now? We are 891, 22, 890, and that is at 22, 750. Well, we could get there. That's interesting. All right. we could definitely come back lower and take those. It's not impossible. Not impossible. We are on a downtrend. Looking at the 1 hour chart, very huge. Okay, that's interesting. The Asian session was quite huge. We could come back to take those lows, or actually move back up and take that up again. Rob, thanks, buddy. Thank you, Rob. We yes, we need to trade well. Okay. All right, let's put look at a little target there. Actually, we'll put it there. We'll put the target there. No. There you go. There's the 1 minute chart, and that is it. That's what's happening. It's a bit of a do anything. All right, let's have a quick look at gold. Gold on a daily is a bit of a jump, a big gap from the open, huge gap, pushed up, pushing up, and now coming back down a little bit. 1 hour candle, getting a red candle, maybe close this gap here at 61.7. What are the gaps? Maybe, maybe come all the way back down. I don't know. Okay. Let's see if it breaks these highs. It's a big push down actually. On the 15-minute chart, there we go. We've got about 6 minutes left before the open. So another 5 minutes. 5 minutes before the New York Open. But don't think we have any news. to worry about. Nothing. Federal budget balance at 4 a.m. We'll won't be up then. Let's have a look at next week. Monday, nothing. Monday night. Tuesday night, we've got some news. Core CPI news. Wednesday, core PPI. Thursday, core retail sales, unemployment claims. So a bit of news next week. Almost every night. Almost. Morning, Satisfy. How are you, buddy? Hope you are well. Hope you're having a great morning. Hope you have a great day. We still got a few minutes before the open. Yeah, we're at 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. I've already done Wordle. I usually do Wordle during the London session for the open. What can I do before the New York open? What's this email from Apex? Okay. Okay. Summit seminar 14th. That's next Monday. Lockout target. I think we might be shorting. I was saying let me try and hit this target down here. What was your target? 715. Okay. So for way down. Okay. 12-hour candle open. Jeez. 12-hour candle open. July the 2nd. Okay. That one there. Why that? Yeah. Your buddies at the exchange have spoken to you. I see you satisfy. All right. Let's put little target there. We are open. There you go. There's your little target. tickled. You didn't, was that not the right one? That's the target, yes? 713, you said? Yeah, there's your target. Moving up for now, getting close to my target. No problem, mate. We'll put it there, see how we go. Let's see how we go. Pushing up initially. Why is that there? Why did that not change? That one did. There we go. We're getting close to our target up there. 168. We're at 40, 20 something points away, or 25. Yeah, that's it. Really new bud. We'll cook again like last night or yesterday. Cooking yesterday, scalping here and there. Look at those little scalpers. Taking chunks. All right. Where are we? At 9:40 now. Yeah, we'll focus. Don't need to rush anything either. The market settle a bit, I guess. Pushing back down now. So we get a reaction of that VWAP. The VWAP. VWAP's pretty flat. Yeah, back down. Going back up. Nice touch the VWAP there. We'll close that gap as well, the fair value gap. There we go. Close the gap. Let's see if it gives a reaction off that VWAP. Pushing back up now. Bouncing off the VWAP. Back in the 920s, 922, just sitting on the VWAP there. Have a quick look at gold. Gold is a long way away from the VWAP. Moving up, just in between the 9 and 21 EMAs. Where was, oh, that's gold's London session. So gold, up, down, moved up, bigly, big time. Look at that. Back to the, is that the, what's going on here? Oh, I've got my little target up there. Okay, that's the bottom of the London sesh. Let me just put that there so I can see that. I got confused, man. All right, we at the at the lows here of London initial balance box, not the London lows. That's there. That's there. Breaking below the 900s now, the 878, 870s, pushing down hard. So that was a bit rough. Quick look at London. London, I reckon, London. Gold, maybe push further up. It was hovering between EMAs before. And, yeah. Okay, a bit of a retrace here. Retrace, have a quick look at bookmap. Bookmap, we've got some biggish orders down below at 860 and 850. Who knows, who might attack those. Yeah, at the triple eights, lucky for some. Mm, Pushing further down now. Hmm. Pushing back down. I'm doing two things at once here, trying to resolve some other issue we have, but nothing major. Pushing down, 870s, 873, 875. We are a minute away from the orb. A minute, 1 minute. About 30 seconds now from the orb. Yeah, smash those lows there. A few more lows. Maybe get to that low. Maybe with a little everything there. Check that low and bounce up maybe. Pushing down. Oh, here we go. We're definitely below the low of the orb at 71. Geez, good. Keep pushing down now. Wait for a little retrace first. It's just not FOMO in, I guess, even though I usually do. Quick check on, we've still got chunky orders below on bookmap. So you've got to come back up, will it pop up, will it come down. We're above the low of the orb. The strat is to wait for the close below, I guess. It is. Many ideas, many possibilities, many ups and downs with price action and our P&Ls. And, the most important one too, our emotional state. Here's a good one for you, Satisfy. Next time someone asks you what state you- you're in, give them, what emotional state you're in instead of the actual state you're in. Well, you're in Illinois, aren't you? So yeah, tell them you're in tell them you're in an emotional state. Pushing up now, the 890s, all of that, 900s. This. Create the low. Took out these lows, create the low of the orb, and now we're pushing up now. And it's, it's a 40-point move. Bounced off the edge of the fair value gap. It's almost like it's doing that a lot more now than punching through it. Is uh is Rob watching at the moment? Rob, are you watching at the moment? Taylor, I've got a question for both of you. Without cheating though. Will this pushing back up now, ripping through the VWAP? It's will this I ain't touching this action. Whoa. What's going on? What the what the flip? What's gold doing? Is it moving like this? I think gold is trying to I'll be better off trading gold. Look at this. Hmm. If you're stopping by, please like and subscribe. Say hello. I got to push people that are stopping through. Satisfy. I want to push them. I got to stop them actually. EMAs have crossed over again. Right, 930s now. We were at the 860s not that long ago. 930s now. A 70-point move, just like that. And then 5 or 6 minutes. What's it gonna do? It'll rip straight back down now. Maybe hit my target. That's the initial target I had. Mm, mm, mm. In the 30s now, 9:35, mid 30s. And see what we do here. We'll retrace back to the VWAP, and then hit my target. I'm going to stay inside this orb. Yeah, that's 52 to yeah, almost a 100 point initial balance box. Still got plenty of time to go before that's over. Not even halfway through the initial balance box, and we're already at about 100 points. Doesn't mean we'll have a 200 point box. Apparently, oh no, I better concentrate. I'm going to do something else, but I remember Satisfy saying we need to focus. I was going to get sidetracked with something else. I'm going to focus, man. I'm going to concentrate. Be true to our word. Satisfy. We're going to lock it in. We're lock in here. Lock in. 938. I'm going to bounce off this. Come back down. Hit the VWAP. A bit of a chop suey situation here. The old chop chop. Mm-hmm. Satisfy. You a bit of a movie buff? I just thought of something saying chop chop. 930s, mid 30s now. um, I've got an Aussie movie suggestion for you. Do you know who Eric Bana is? He's an Australian actor. He was in the movie Troy, actually. He was the Prince of Troy. Yeah, let me know if you know Eric Bana. He's done a few movies now in Hollywood. He's an Aussie actor. The one that got him to where he is now, did a movie called Chopper. Okay. He's done a few. If you look at IMDb, Eric Bana is his name. I'll write in here, Eric Bana. And, look for new Proper. Yeah, this was an old, crazy movie done back in the, well, I think the movie was done back in the 90s. Well, yeah, it was set up 70s, 80s in Australia, Melbourne, Australia, where we're from. Anyway, moving back up. Oh, hit through, going towards that target of mine. Getting close to. I had this target here right on this 685, which just missed 685.25. Got to about a point away from it. Did not close above the orb here. Quick look at gold. Gold is it's stagnant here. Yeah, what we're going to do? We're going to push up. We close above that. What are we doing here? We're going to push up. What are you going to do in Q? Sixties, yeah, 960s, 62, 63. I guess we've closed above it. Pushing back down now. Are we? In the 50s. Oh, oh. Trying to make a move here. Okay, giving a little bit of a retracement here. Close these gaps. Oh, my getting connection issues on Ninja Trader. Hit my target for that. Still no trades taken yet from New York. Hmm. You sniped it? Nice. Let's see if we trace down a bit. No, I didn't snipe it. I haven't put a trade on yet. This would have been a good spot right there, actually. Another little bull flag here again. Yeah, 950s, mid 50s, or late 50s, 57. All right, gonna push further down here. Push to this level here. See if we bounce off that 90 EMA. Maybe not. Pushing further. They're gonna put it along there. Yes, oh, okay. Go further up. We're definitely in a bit of a chop chop situation here. Chop chop. Ah, we're pushing up. What are we doing, man? Think he doesn't know what to do. Yeah, by the snipe there. As soon as I put it on it. Turn on me. Oh, this account. Jeez. That looks like a big move up. Mm. I'll lose this trade. Mm. 950s. Jeez. All in the 50s now. Oh no. Oh no. Uh, where are we? Just below boys. About to lose this trade here. Yeah, okay. Oh, that hurts. Bang. Oh, come on. Surely not. Really? Really? That gets back up there. Leave that target. Oh, sick. No, it's a big, okay, gold. Gold is not moving. Holding now, 50s. This moves up now. I got wicked out. Oh my God. Hurry up. Yeah, yeah, 50, 59, 60. Man, he's going to make me sick if he gets all the way. Yeah, he's going to get all the way back up there. Unbelievable. Down, push up. Come on, push up. She's struggling to get up there now. In the 70s. Come on, do it. There you go. All right. That was a good little snot. Get some back. Still down quite a bit. Just having a quick look at gold. Is geez, gold has stopped moving. 970s now. That was a yes. A yes, we're pushing up. We're going for the daily open. That target is at 23,000 and two. We are about 20 points away from that. Strong push up here now. Wow. Push up. Slowly, little retracement. 980. Back in the 970s. See for another opportunity. We're gonna go sideways a bit here. What's the map showing? Ooh, some heavy orders up above. What are those? Right on 23. Come on, give me a little bit more of a retracement. On 75, mid 70s. Pushing back up. That's a tricky one. In the 70s, mid 70s, 77. I'm just waiting for a dump here. It's not going to happen, is it? As soon as I put a trade on, it will. If I'm ready to guarantee a dump, I'll put a trade on. Nine eighty, 970, 980, sort of sitting in that little area. Hmm. We're gonna smash everyone, I think. Hmm. Come on, push up. Do a quick scalp there. Still 560 down. Said that a bit quietly. Uh, be close to the 23,000 price mark. Ah, it's nearly 12:30 a.m. here. That's the yawn. We're about 6 minutes away from closing that initial balance box. Looks like we're going to have a higher top. We are at 63 to 995. What's that? 130 points already? Jesus. Hmm. Hope everyone is well. We're stopping by, watching. Please give us a like, maybe even sub. Back at 990. We're going to hit the 23. I think we're definitely going to get to the 23, get to this target. Surely we're going to get to 23, but I'm not stopping at 97. Quick check on gold. Oh, okay, gold's moving up. Very close to 23. There we go, hit 23. See if it stays there now. 23,000 now. We're going to stay there, keep pushing up. We are about 10 points away from the daily open. Get below 23 now, 96, 95. I still think when you get to 23 and stay there, pushing up now, 23,002, hitting that target. Back in the 90s, 998. Back at 990 now. Gold pushing up. Come on, gold. Trailing a really tight stop loss here on gold. Oh, nice. Go, go. Okay, beautiful. That was a $300 trade on gold. Big scalp. Whew, that worked out. Beautiful. Still down. uh, Tuning out for a minute. It's sort of nice. So what happened yesterday? Hang on. Sorry, I was missed your comments. So as far as concentrating the trade there, took a scalp, yeah, really entry, but made some back. That's all right. To be honest, I don't know how in my head, but I ended up taking some more losses yesterday. London loads were faded, say 5 times targets were already tagged. That's a mistake. We're getting back slowly but surely. Yeah, that's we all get it. Like I've made. I mean, I made a few mistakes today as well. Don't revenge trade. Just try and, like you said before, keep a cool head, concentrate, work on your emotional side, man. I was down nearly $700. Now I'm down $280. Had a good trade there just on gold, made 300 back. So you can always get it back. Don't blow the account, you know. Yeah. How much were you up yesterday before you? I've done that too. Don't worry. Yeah, we've all done it. You know, I've done it so many times where you just know. Yeah, you just know when you're like I can feel it when it's time for me to stop. I just know. I've got a little thing here. Little, you can see that or not. It says I made this myself on one of those printers that prints these plastic things out. 'Cause when you think you're done, you're done. You know. Just just a reminder. Look at that. I've got a couple of others here. Trended your friend and have a limit. Know your limit. Have a limit. But I have it on this. When you think you're done, you're done. Yeah. You just you can sense it. You can feel it when you're done too. Uh, and often like say, oh, I think I'm done now. I'll try and get a bit more. Try and squeeze a bit more out of this. And yeah, it costs me almost every single time. Not always, but almost every single time. So I just know now when I'm done. I just stop. Even if I've only made $100, I can just feel it. Uh, so you're gonna have those days. Some days you're gonna make. Look, last night we had a good day. It was 500 and 250, I think, on two different accounts. You're still early in your trading. Don't beat yourself over it, mate. Oh, gold pushing up nicely now. I caught gold around about here and had to really try the stop loss myself really tight, real close as it was pushed up really hard and pushing up now hard. Maybe going for these targets. We'll go back to NQ anyway. Hmm. Mhm. It's all good, satisfying. Oh, look, and even if you do blow the account, it still doesn't matter. Think of it as a learning curve. It's all part of the learning process. I think the majority of traders have blown quite a few. accounts. We just sort of around this 23,000 mark here now. Back in the 990s, 990s, and gold, gold has retraced as well, almost following NQ now. Not quite. We have slowed down a bit. I mean, it did grind slowly up anyway. We haven't slowed down too much. Let's have a look at the 1 hour chart. So we almost took about half of that fair value gap, almost touched the daily open. Do we go and take back the this move, this whole move? Possible. Let's see why not. I reckon we probably will actually. I mean, we've taken most of it back. We've mitigated most of it back. I need to. I've got a typo there. I have a typo there. Wow. Pushing back down, yeah. Just a bit, I think. 80s. Close below the 90 MA. Yes. I like it. Yeah, I like a good setup too. Like that's the Asian session. Uh, Taking these lows. Yeah. You can also call that a failed auction. Pushing back up. Mitigated half of that. Move back. So then push back up. As we are referring to, taking back, moving towards these highs. I think we'll break above the daily open. We might get a little retrace back to, yeah, maybe back to the 930s. Or we go straight up. I like that satisfying. Well painted too. Like your graphic work there, your graphics work. Uh, quick look at gold. What's gold doing? Gold is we're pushing still. Gold's still pushing up towards these levels. Let's quick look at gold here. Maybe go again on gold. Maybe. Anytime, mate. Anytime you a lot of effort to paint that. No, it's good. It's all good. While I was talking to you, gold. That's gold. Sitting above the orb high, hitting range barometer high. Put an ORB there. I wonder if you can, actually. No, you can't. Maybe in the code. I reckon I can look in the code and organise that. We can change that. We can ORH be in somewhere. I think I had to search. Anyway. People, if you're checking out the stream, say hello if you can. Give us a like. Would mean the world to us. Just starting out, new channel, newish traders, not that new. We sort of know what we're doing. Satisfy know, and I know what we're doing. When we're in the zone, together, we kill it. Oh, that's gold. What am I looking at? Gold. NQ. Back to NQ. In the 970s now. dropping down. Let's have a look at book map. Map has ES has some orders below, which is probably why it's pushing down. I stick a couple of points away, which we will catch to about 8 or 9 points in Q terminology. Give it about 10 points. So maybe drop to 70, maybe drop to this E in May. So look at ES. Yeah. It's right at the top of the 98. It's just below that actually. Let's see. Definitely going to get there. Oh, look at that. Doubling it up. One more big order there. Don't bounce off. Come back down. There's huge, like 250 contracts there on ES at the 97.5 right there. Surprised I didn't take that. $250. What do you mean 250? Oh, hang on, I'm not on NQ. I've missed. I didn't understand what you typed in. Satisfy. Oh yeah, that's on ES. Yeah, yeah, it was at the only 750. Yeah, they're spoofing, trying to get the price to come down. As soon as price gets close to it, they take it out. Yeah, they've taken some out because it got close. So it's at 100 contracts now, but there's more contracts further up on the book map. So we might push up here now. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see. It looks same like in Q. Quick look at gold here. Oh, look at that. Gold hitting one of my targets there. Should have stayed on gold. Thought it was going to go sideways here when it did this little barcode thing here. But ever since stand all that. Bull flag. That little bull flag there. Look at that. Nice. Nice. 73.3 to get to 74.6. That's just $100. Anyway, that's gold. Don't know if I've been putting a trade on there. What's NQ doing? NQ pushing down. We're going to push down now. Back to back towards the VWAP maybe. Do we go for that? Maybe the 940. It's pushing down, that's for sure. Geez, when it goes, huh? Trading hard, that's for sure. Well, I am. And, can't seem to get this back into the green. I started down 280. I'm still down 280. At one stage I was down, I think 800. Managed to climb back up. Thanks to my mistress gold. Just don't tell him to though. He might get upset. Yeah, up and down. I mean, look, 280 is not too bad. I mean, it is bad, but obviously prefer to be green. They can still get another trade off. Take some of it back. I mean, 10 points is 200 bucks, so you get most of it back on one trade, 10 points. I know. Shh, don't, don't even write it in here. Chat. NQ watches me like a hawk. Yes. You know, they say, I love gold. The look of it, the taste of it, the texture. Yes, I like Rob Schneider. You can do it. Yeah, he's good, Rob Schneider. Yes, that is true. Pushing back up now, 960s. Have another quick pick at gold. Oh, gold, look at gold, my God. Hit two of my little targets here. Bang, bang. I'll put them both there because like it was a strong sort of target. And I like gold. Okay, I'll go back to NQ. Sorry, NQ. Well, I'm just looking. Just looking. Do we drop now and close this gap? What are we doing? When I say we're going to get to like 30 something, didn't I, on the 1 hour chart? We could retrace back down to the 30s. So maybe here, maybe back to the VWAP and push back up. I'm going to see here. Gold, gold, gold. All right. Come on, are we dropping down? What are we doing? What are we doing in Q? I want my money back, man. Where's my money, man? You ducking me, man? My freaking money, man. Fucking Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton. Clint Eastwood. uh, why did I say Bill Clinton? I just saw Clinton. uh, we are in the 960s, 961. We're just sort of having a bit of a, just picking up a bit of steam here before we move further down, I think. Just stopped putting some gas in the tank. Push up now. Gold is moving back down. There's gold. Let's have a look at gold on the daily chart. Look at that. The wise movie quotes. Mm. Wise going, yeah? Yeah, let's see if gold pushes towards that gap from the exchange. Back at the start, oh, that's the start of the week. That's last week. Daily chart, 1 hour chart. After we took out these highs here. Do we retrace, come back here, keep going up? Maybe keep going up by the looks of it. I don't see coming back down here. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes they do follow each other though, or gold follows. Because I keep an eye on both. They do inverse, you're right, but sometimes, man, you two will push up and gold will follow suit. Is that the retracement? Come back down? Maybe not. Yeah, stinky, all right. Yes. Yeah, when we're trading Forex, I traded gold a lot. Gold in Euro, US, EU. Um, so that's why I've sort of kept an eye on gold since we moved on to the futures market. I like gold. I love gold. We're sitting in them between these EMAs now on each shoe. I don't think there's a retrace in this. I don't know what this is at the moment. Maybe you are coming back down. Maybe not. Gold is maybe quite, yeah. Probably keep pushing up. Go for that target. I don't know what it's going to do here. We're still going to come down. Look at that VWAP. Two. All right, see it push down. We push. You push. Do it. Come on. Maybe there. Hey, there we go. Hey, those will scalp there. Down $88. Wow. Oof. Winner. Yeah. Yeah, very wise words there, Rob. Water for duck's back. All right. We now only down $80 from being down, I think, oh God, I think it was 800. Was it 800? I think it was. Jeez. Pushing further down. Yay! Where's that little, that had that little scene with their hand claps and their cheers when you win a trade. Let's have a quick look at gold. Oh, gold moving up. Going for the next target at 33.80 from 75.8. Yeah, that's a nice trade there. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I reckon we'll get to about here or push all the way down. The EMAs are almost crossing over, but the VWAP's in the way. We are in the 950s now. Just waiting. See if we get another trade off. This one account. Are we pushing back up? Ready to retrace before we possibly come back down and touch the VWAP. Waiting for the EMA, see if they're going to cross over next minute. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you can. It would mean the world to us as we starting this new stream, this new channel. Like mid 40s now, 45. Here we go. Yeah, but you may have crossed over. The 9 and the 21 EMA. Pushing back up. Oh, that's a let's push back up. Right at the top of the orb here. tricky spot here now. Let's have a look at gold. Gold is it's sort of, is it going to be quite gold or and Chu is starting to create a barcode here. Pushing down to that. VWAP. See if we get a reaction off that. Let's have a look at map. So maybe shorter at 925. Okay. Thank you, Rob. Yeah, you too, mate. Have a good weekend. And yeah, don't go too hard. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Don't go too hard, mate. Make sure you have a break too, buddy. Have a bit of a rest day. But yeah, have a good weekend, mate. Let's try and go off one more trade. Let's try and get back in the green on this account. Ooh, it's a huge move down now. Yeah, back in the 930s now. What's gold doing? Gold is well, it is sort of moving up again. Oh, no, maybe sideways there. Hmm. We're just hovering around here now, 928. 928. Quick at my account that I've been trading, minus 88. It was minus 800 and something not that long ago. That's where it's at. See if we keep pushing further down or close the rest of this gap. Hit the low. Eight. 929. Back to 928. Holding the line here in the 20s, 25. Not moving a lot there. Oh, gold is racing to that target at 33.80. All that. Oh, it's back through it. There we go. That's definitely poke through it now. Definitely hit it. All that. It's grabbing the new target at 84.5. Racing away now for gold. Nice. And just as gold moving up, and Q moved up. See if we get a reaction off the 9 EMA there. Mm. 950s now. 950, almost 960. See if we cross over the 21 EMA. Right in the middle of them now. In the 60s now. It's a strong move up now from NQ. Let's look at that. The book is thinning out a bit. One hour OBS. That's the green lines for which is the initial balance box. That's what they call it. Will it hold? Tell you what, we haven't broken it. We wicked through it there. We usually we wick through it. We usually get through it again and then come back down. So we might see this action, or it might just hold in here, obviously. Or order blocks. Oh, I was talking about the author. He's meant to order. Yeah, bounced off it in the 1 hour chart. Right about here, yeah. Mm-hmm. 48. What's gold doing? A bit of retracement here, gold. Mm-hmm. Yeah, push back down, close that gap. Mm-hmm. 37, right on the VWAP now. Mm-hmm. We are in the mid 40s now. Not moving a lot at the moment. 45. And we check on gold. Gold is okay. Down sideways, waiting to build up some momentum. Maybe we go for that next target. So that's 84 and a half, about 80 and a half almost. Gold. And two 50s now. Up. 955 in the mid 50s. She's a bit wacky at the moment. She's a bit of the old wiggly, wiggly, wiggly whack. In the 960s now. We're going to push up. We push up. Come back down. Let me put one more order on. If I lose, I lose. I don't like it, actually. I don't like it. I don't like it. So that is a bit of a retracement. Move back down. First time it back below that 90 anyway for a while. Being the old here, the old high. Ah, new subscriber, Arcro. Thanks for subbing, mates. Thank you for subbing. Hope you enjoy our stream. Mainly for, using it for entertainment, obviously. Satisfy, sell later, a new sub. Arcro. uh, Moving up to the 960s now. We're thinking of putting a long here. So we're breaking those tops. Let's see if we push up now. back up now. The 970s now pushing up. Come on. Hey, we are finally back to break even. Wow, that was a slog. Today was a slog. All right, we're pushing further up now. I pretty much got to break even on my account and lost interest. Oh, I did a quick scalp just to get to break even. Well, $4 down, which is 10 minutes break even. Anyway, I might call it a night there. Might call it quits there. Quit while I'm ahead, I guess. Well, not ahead, but to me, it's ahead. As I was down, I think about $800. Anyway, whoever joined, had a look. Thanks for joining us once again. Thanks for liking. Satisfied. Thanks for joining us again, mate. Hope you have a lovely day. Hope you have a great weekend. Uh, thank you, buddy. Thanks for joining us once again. We appreciate it, mate. Yeah. So yeah, I've got my money back. So I got my money back, man. It was ducking me for a while there, ducking me all night. Anyway, satisfied. Have a great weekend, buddy. Appreciate you once again. Yeah. Thanks, satisfied. All right.